Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Cardano and picking up where we left off in the previous Cardano video. So what we're seeing with Cardano do right now is it's creating as much distance as it can from its 52-week low that it reached back on October 21st. And at that time, the price was at 33 cents. So I'm using the Fibonacci retracement that takes Cardano from where it was at, where it had come down within this falling wedge that had taken it down to that 52-week low. This falling wedge had started on September 22nd, and it had completed on October 21st. So we're creating distance right now between that price, and what we're seeing is that ADA is having some trouble trying to get over this 50% Fibonacci level from that. As you can see, when it was coming down back in the month of September, you can see that there was a lot of consolidation. There was a lot of support at that 42-cent price. Now, ADA ended up losing that support and falling through, and that's why we're struggling right now on breaking through that price. So it's a key area of resistance right now that we need to be getting over. And when we do, we'll probably be able to see the price of ADA have a bit larger of a candlestick as it does do that. So what I'm saying right now, that we've seen a wave one, a wave two, and we're within a wave three. That's all part of this first wave impulse that hopefully we'll be able to recover a pretty decent amount of the price of ADA that it had lost when it had come down within this fifth wave from this much larger wave impulse. So there's still a lot that we could probably be seeing the price retrace here, and there's possibilities that I will have to actually extend these waves, these sub waves here that I'm putting in right now, a bit more as well, because this was a significant drop that we had seen with ADA that had pretty much been on the downfall since it had reached its all-time high back in September of 2021. So pretty much it spent more than a year just with the price consistently dropping. And now hopefully what we're seeing here is we're seeing that turnaround, that change in that trend actually happening now. So hopefully this is going to be able to see a lot of recovery within the price of Cardano as it starts breaking through these different Fibonacci levels, because there's a lot to really retrace. If we were to go all the way and retrace where we're at within this wave four that we had to the downside, then the price of ADA could be going to around $1.26, $1.25 as it works its way up to that level. But we haven't seen Cardano even manage to get above the price of 60 cents since June of 2022. Now we can also look at ADA right now, how it had been doing a lot of sideways trading for so long, since basically May of 2022 to now, and how consistent it was consolidating. And instead, look at that as a correction, how the trend was coming down so quickly, and then we had this consolidation, and now it's looking like there might be a possible change within the trend that we're getting now. So we can look at this as also being all part of a corrective wave series. So we can call this our A wave. We can see this 33-cent price was our B wave. And then now what we're within is our C wave. And if we were to see this C wave go up within these 5 waves here, then we can say that this was all just that part of that corrective wave series that we needed. And then now hopefully that's that point where we'll get the next waves to the upside. The 5 waves to the upside starting from here would be the ideal situation that we could be looking forward to. And that's what I'm hoping for. So the key price that we would really need to see ADA get to after it does eventually break out of this wedge that it was in and overtake this top Fibonacci level that we have here that's at a price of around 52 cents, we're probably going to be seeing a nice price pump after we do a pump over that level, because you can see back in August, after we had fallen through that 52-cent price, you can see how quickly the price did drop and how much resistance there was to try to break over that, just like there was with this 42-cent price. So we pumped to the 42-cent price, we pumped to the 52-cent price, and then from that point, I think that would be what we would need to really be seeing ADA have that potential to see this correction complete and all take place. And then hopefully from there, we'll be able to work our way up to get back to that $1 price. It's very key for ADA to go back and achieve, because you can see how much the price had really bounced off that $1 price back in 2021. A better example actually would be if we were to take this on over to this chart, and you can see this $1 price here, how much the price of ADA was consistent with bouncing off the price of $1 all throughout 2021, and it would continuously bounce off that price and hold it as support, and be very consistent with that. And you would see the price go from $1 all the way up to $2.50. It did it again, $1 all the way up to that $3 price. And then after it had lost that support of $1 back in this year, 2022, back in April or May, then we really saw the price start coming down after that had happened. So that's what I'm thinking. That's going to be that very key price for ADA to get back over and overtake. And hopefully we're going to be able to see that happen here soon. So now, as far as everything for Cardano here in the short term, there's a few key things that need to happen. So one, Cardano needs to be sure that it holds the price above 41 cents. That's going to keep it above its 50-day moving average, which you can see that was part of the reason why we did have a really nice pump after we pumped the 20 and 50-day moving average. We have a 50% Fibonacci level. That's 50% from where it was within this falling wedge that it was in through the month of September on into October. Then we have our 100-day moving average is at the price of around 45 cents, and it needs to pump over that. And that would really start to help bring in that really nice price pump in that could hopefully take us to the top of this Fibonacci level at the price of 52 cents. That would take the price of ADA over the price from where it was within the falling wedge. Now our 200-day moving average is at a price of around 57 cents, and if it could break through that, then that would be our best shot of seeing the price of ADA overtaking that $1 price eventually. It could probably quickly work its way up to that $1 price after it passes that 200-day moving average. Now we also have our bull market support band that to be on the other side of that, we would need to be at a price of around 50 cents. So currently we need to be getting ADA through this 100-day moving average, and hopefully from there it would be able to overtake the bull market support band, get on the other side of that. So currently we're still within the bear market resistance band, so keep that in mind. Now let's turn all this stuff off real quick and just look at things panned back here. So obviously we need to work our way up back to that $1 price. That will take us above from where we were at, where this wave 5 that we had to the downside had taken the price of ADA all the way down to its 52-week low. So maintaining a price, getting it to that $1 is key, and I know it's going to be taking time, but these are all things to be looking forward to for ADA to achieve. A whole lot of things have happened with Cardano since basically it had come down within this fifth wave. The Vassal hard fork had come out, and that had created a lot of new opportunities for Cardano and its dApps and total value locked and things like that. A lot of things have changed, and hopefully we start to see things really turn around here with Cardano. I am very bullish on Cardano, and I'm sure that my audience is aware of that. And I'm going to keep monitoring it, and I'll keep you guys updated on what does happen with ADA. So I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. Where do you guys think that Cardano is going to be at by December? And where do you guys think that we're going to be seeing Cardano go to next year? Do you guys think that we're going to be seeing Cardano go back to the price of $3? I would like to know. So with that being said, I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and I talk about many different altcoins every day as well. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching and listening.